YouTube channels. Anyone with a working internet connection can use YouTube to watch great video content. It's a free service that can be accessed worldwide through basically all types of desktop and smart devices. Because of this, most people do not bother to create YouTube accounts, as the platform allows everybody around the world to enter the website and start looking for videos by simply using the search bar. But people looking to access more advanced features, and people that want to have a more personalized experience, can create YouTube accounts that will allow them to like videos, to set up reminders to watch videos at a later date, and to subscribe to YouTube channels. But if you want to upload your own videos to have a more personalized experience, you'll need to have a YouTube channel. And in this video, you are going to learn all about them. What is a YouTube channel? A YouTube channel serves the purpose of providing a more personalized experience to anyone that joins YouTube, because it is a lot like having your own YouTube homepage. And it also serves the purpose of providing YouTube users with a profile that can be used to interact with other users. YouTube channels allow anyone with a YouTube account to do much more than to upload videos to the platform. YouTube channels will show the account name of the user, the account type, a description about the channel, the videos uploaded by the owner of the channel, a list of channels followed and friended by the owner of the channel, and a discussion section. What type of YouTube channels are out there? There are two types of YouTube channels: personal channels and business channels. Well, personal channels are the quickest and easiest way to have your own channel, and business channels are YouTube channels that rely on the basic channel structure while also providing additional customization options, such as the option to manage your channel from multiple YouTube accounts, and to name your channel after your brand or business. Creating a personal YouTube channel. Creating your own channel is a very easy and straightforward process that won't take you much more than a few clicks on your mouse. Creating a personal YouTube channel is the minimum requirement for you to upload your marketing videos on the platform, and you can start by going to your account icon on YouTube and clicking on YouTube Settings. Now click on the Create a Channel link and enter the name of your new channel in the pop-up window. You can use your name as it appears on your account, or you can use a customized name if you want. Click on Create Channel when you are done customizing your channel's name. Now that you have created your new channel, it is time to customize it. You can start by going to the top left corner to customize your channel icon. This icon is the same profile picture from your Google account by default, but you can change it by using the pencil icon to upload a new one. You can add an attractive banner to your channel by using the Add Channel Art button, which will allow you to upload a new image that you can use as your main channel art. You can add a description for your channel by using the Channel Description button. Using the crank icon over your description space will take you to your channel settings. Here, you can customize your channel privacy settings, which will allow you to either keep your liked videos, subscriptions, and save playlists private, or to make them public. If you turn on the Customize the Layout for your channel, you will be able to further customize your channel. This will allow you to add a channel trailer, to recommend video content to your subscribers, and to organize your videos and playlists into sections. And we totally recommend you to turn on this option and to click on Save. As you can see, this will let you customize your channel to look the same as all those other popular channels on YouTube. At first glance, you were given the Add Section button that you can use to separate your video uploads into categories, and the Add Channels button that will allow you to favorite other people's channels and feature them on yours. Changes made using these buttons will show on the video's playlist and channels tabs. Now in the About tab, you will be able to edit your channel description, and you will also be able to add contact details on your channel, including an email address for inquiries, to select a country to show it to your channel visitors, and to add links that your channel visitors can follow through. If you go back to your channel settings button, you will see new options available. You will now be able to show a discussion tab on your channel to allow people to comment on your channel. And you will also be able to translate content on your channel for viewers that speak a different language. And that's it. Now you have everything that you need to start uploading your marketing videos to YouTube using your personal channel. Creating a business YouTube channel. Creating a business channel is an easy process too, and it will allow you to name your channel after your brand or business, and will also allow you to manage it from several different accounts. To start creating a business channel, simply go to the YouTube settings button on your account icon. Now click on the Create New Channel link. Note that if you haven't created a personal channel yet, a Use a Business or Other Name link will appear instead. In the following page, enter the name of your brand or business in the brand account name field, and then click on Create. And that's it! Creating a business channel is as easy as creating a personal one, and you can customize it the same way as you would customize your personal channel. The difference being that information that you edit on your business channel will also be updated on a Google About Me page for your business. All the content that you upload on your channels can be managed from the Creator Studio, which we will take a look at in our following video.